DSDM believes that the best business value emerges when projects are aligned to clear business goals, deliver frequently, and involve the collaboration of motivated and empowered people. This is achieved when all stakeholders understand and buy into the business vision and objective, are empowered to make decisions within their area of expertise, accept that change is inevitable, and collaborate to deliver a fit-for-purpose business solution to agreed timescales in line with business priorities. This philosophy is supported by 8 principles. These principles are supported by people with defined roles and responsibilities, an agile process, enabling iterative and incremental product development and delivery, defined products to help manage the development process, and recommended practices to help achieve optimum results. The approach is also grounded in common sense, meaning sound, practical judgment based on everyday knowledge and pragmatism, which encourages a focus on immediate practical considerations rather than theory. This thinking allows DSDM to remain flexible and ensures individuals and interactions continue to be placed above processes and tools.